So this shirt is selling approximately 2,496 per month, and it is priced 24.9 euros. That's approximately 7.31 royalties. So I'm going to do a quick calculation. 7.31 times 2,496 sales per month. 2,496 sales per month. So that gives us approximately $18,000 per month for this one shirt. So in this video, I'm going to show you other niches that are trending, as well as deleted designs and a gift for you at the end of the video. So if you like watching videos like this, do also hit the subscribe button, hit the like bell, and hit the like button and turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. Let's go. So like I was saying, this shirt is selling quite well. It's actually in the French marketplace, and these are the estimated sales. I'm going to go to Flying Research, where I usually do my niche research. What I did today is just hit all marketplaces and hit the search button, and I got several search results, and I noticed that all of these BSRs are less than 2,000. This one is 1,144, 1,400. That shows how well these shirts are selling. And this is in the French marketplace. This one is Italian, France. So I always like doing researches from all the marketplaces so I can have an idea of what is selling in each marketplace, because there are times that you can have a shirt that is selling on one marketplace but that shirt is not available at another marketplace. So if I can take a look at the shirt that is selling on one marketplace, I can make a better design and put it up in maybe the US marketplace, for example. So, and I also notice that people like when I do the create search like this. That's why I'm making this video different. So this first shirt is in a French marketplace. It says j'ai pas robide, c'est le t-shirt qui est mal foutu. It just means that I'm not big. Is the shirt that is not fitting. So it's a kind of funny shirt, and obviously you know how funny shirts sell. This is just an example. Over 100 reviews, price 24.9, like approximately 7.31 royalties per shirt, guys. So this is absolutely incredible. Here's our next shirt. It says Livio Italian. I don't speak Italian, so I don't really understand. I'm just gonna hit more info so I can copy and paste it or know what the t-shirt is talking about. So here's the description. Let me just copy this first bullet point. No, know what? I'll just copy the title. Copy the title, go to Google Translate, hit paste. It says funny gadget gift, party graduation gamer controller. Alright, so it's a gaming shirt for those who are gamers, and it's just a shirt for those who are gamers, guys, and it's priced $19.99. But I want to know what it actually says. What does this mean? So I'm just going to copy the first description or the bullet point, go back to Google Translate and hit paste. After years of studying and sleepless nights over the books, leaving your favorite video games behind, here's a long-awaited moment, your graduation party. Okay, that's quite weird. Let's take the next one. It's just a graduation shirt. That's what I'm getting for gamers. So let's paste again on Google Translate. One thing that must not be missing in a graduation party besides the balloon. So guys, you get the gist. It's a graduation shirt for gamers. That's what the shirt is about. And the next one, non disturb me. It looks like don't disturb me, I'm gaming. That's the next shirt, gamers again, price $16.99, over 96 reviews. Look how low the BSR is. It's really trending. And another way to know if a shirt is trending, just scroll down here. You'll see the BSR. So it says overall trend is up, the current trend is up, and that's the same for all these shirts right here. All of them are trending, so that's why I thought to do a video that includes all of them. So I can't really see this as top 5 niches because this is like all the niches combined. Anyway, ce que je fais durant mon temps libre. This is what I do during my free time. I play games. I watch videos about games. I play games. I talk about playing games, parler de jeux vidéo, rêver des jeux vidéo. So I talk about games and I dream about games. Anything about guys, if you notice, all of these shirts are for gamers. I don't know what it is about gaming, but so many people love gaming. I know I used to play games before, but not as much anymore because there are so many things I have to do. um, Gaming is not a top priority at the moment, so I don't really game as much. But as you can see, so many games, shirts, designs. This one just talk about gaming, and then price 16.99, 11 reviews. So that was it for the first set of shirts. I'm just gonna do two, guys. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So eight niches. Eight niches instead of the five. I'm guessing that's more than um, three bonuses. So le truc, c'est que globalement, je m'en bats le cul, which simply means I don't give an F about you, about anything. I just don't give an F. That's what this shirt says. Then this one is L'homme, le mythe, la légende. I don't know why so many French marketplace shirts are here. Out of the first eight, you have one, two, three, four. Four of them are French marketplaces. Anyway, this one says L'homme, le mythe, la légende means the man, the myth, the legend. You know, I've seen this shirt too in the US marketplace. And this one is German, so something having to do with a sloth. I'm sleeping or something. Let's take a look at it. So let's just copy all of that, go to Google and paste. Oh no, no. Come here, Google Translate, paste. Official sleep shirt, Mother's Day, Father's Day, funny gift. So it's a sleep shirt. I just saw it's thought there. I was thinking about sleeping. Here it is a slot shirt, and this one says vintage 1981. So anything vintage sells well, as you guys have noticed. So those are the top eight designs for the week, and in all the marketplaces, guys. So you see very low BSRs, guys. It shows how well it's selling. This one down here is 2,000 BSRs. This one here is less than 2,000. That's 1,000 BSRs. So these are the top four that are really selling. And if you can make a design that is better than this, you'll be doing a great favor for yourself. So next, we're going to talk about the deleted designs. Here, the deleted designs. This one has to do with Poke Life. I don't know what Poke Life is. Maybe it's a show or so. Outer Banks, yeah. So it's getting deleted. Don't do that. Don't include shirts that is talking about Poke Life. This one says FJB. We all know who JB is. Joe Biden, and this one here talking about quarantine. Yeah, Amazon doesn't like anything that has to do with mass death, so that's just it. So we have these other ones here. I don't know why they're getting deleted. This one's right here. Maybe they're just ripped off designs from the ones that are actually selling. Fantasy football, I think that's trademark. And Black Lives Matter, guys, that's trademark too. So as you can see, Fauci, yeah, talking about people, person's name, which you have no rights to make t-shirts about. Whenever the rule of thumb is that whenever I see a shirt that has to do with someone's name, I just tend to stay away from it because I have no um, rights to make a design about someone's shirt. So this one to someone's face, you have no right to do that. Welcome to the afterlife, or whatever that means. Maybe it's from a TV show or something. I'm not really sure about that. So here are the other ones. There are so many, guys. Daddy Shark, you have that's trademark 2, and you have these other ones here. So next, guys, I'm going to talk about the gift that I talked about in the beginning of the video. It's about this new tool that I came across. It's called Potly, and here is the dashboard, and it's also a research tool like Flying Research. You can do research for KDP t-shirts and all the clothing. All the clothing is for the tank tops and the hoodies and all the rest. As all the other clothings that is not a t-shirt, all of them are here. So let me show you a list of all the product types. I think there are over 16 product types. There's v-neck, tank tops, long sleeve, and you can do research on them. Also come here and list your products, listing optimizer. You're gonna come here, put in your title, brand, and all the like, and you hit upload. It's gonna upload it to Match for Amazon. So it's not only a research tool, it's also a listing tool. Then you have your keywords here that you can search for. You put in one keyword and it's gonna give you other keywords. So it's really a great tool that will be useful to print-on-demand sellers. You can do your research, you can get your keywords from here, and you can list it. And you can also do on-site search, and you have approximately like 16 product types that you can search from, and you can also search on KDP too. So it's also a KDP research tool. So if you're interested in trying out Potly, there's a link down in the description below. You can get a 25% discount by using the code Potly25, and this discount is for the lifetime. That's is for life. So instead of paying 25 monthly, you're going to be paying 17 point some cents per month. So it's pretty affordable. But if you want to go the annual route, you're also going to get 25% discount at annual route. So it's really up to you which way you want to choose. So like I said before, if you want to try Potly, there's a link down in the description below. So if you found this helpful, guys, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print-on-demand and KDP, there's a channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.